Hi, Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope people in Islamabad and Pindi are safe. I hope people who came for the protest have reached back their homes and towns and villages and cities in KPK safe. I will try to be sharing the videos. I don't know whether everybody has access to these or no, but these are horrific images that have been shared on the Pakistan Tehreek Insaf page, PTI Khyber Pakhtunkhwa's page. These are images of the people who came to just protest and were brutally and barbarically murdered by a pathetic, disgusting government of Pakistan, Muslim League Nawaz. And anybody who says these are fake, I think they need to visit these places and see. If you tell somebody that your son or brother or whoever or anybody from the family has passed away and it's something sort of a fake, so people who are actually going through that troubling phase will tell you exactly what you need to hear at that time. So these are horrific images, and this is an actual video from the polyclinic, I think,
अपनी ही आवाम के ऊपर जबर और
Islamabad,
खस्ताइत की
and these are
इंतहा कर
actual
दी
dead bodies.
रात के अंधेरे में ये इंडिया से नहीं आए हुए थे, ये पाकिस्तान के शहरी
The
हैं,
fact that these people were
पाकिस्तानी हैं।
brutally
अपनी ही
murdered
आवाम
by
के
a
ऊपर इन्होंने जुल्म कर
barbaric
डाला।
government of
ये आप
Muslim
देख सकते हैं
Nawaz, in the
किस
middle
तरीके
of
से
the
इन्होंने
night,
जुल्म किया
shutting
अपनी ही
down
आवाम के ऊपर।
lights. Just
ये
look
डेड
at
बॉडीज
their
पड़ी हैं जी, ये
faces
पॉली
and look
क्लिनिक
at
मुल्ता
their
खाना के अंदर
images.
इस टाइम पर हम मौजूद हैं।
How
पॉली
have they
क्लिनिक
been
में
brutally killed
मौजूद हैं। इस
and
टाइम पर हम
brutally
ये देखें
murdered?
फाइट ये यहाँ
They've
पे
been
लाए गए हैं।
injured.
टोटल तादाद जो बनती है वो तकरीबन
Look at
30
just
से
look at the
40 के
people.
दरमियान बनती
They've been
है,
hit back
जिसमें
with
से
bullets.
3 से
And
4 लोग जो हैं वो एक्सपायर हो
the
चुके हैं
worrying
जी,
fact is
वो
that
खत्म हो चुके
anybody
हैं।
with a
उनको
common
सीधे सीधे
sense should
फायर मारे
ask
गए हैं। वो डेड
that
बॉडीज
these
मुर्दा खाना के
people
अंदर हमने
didn't
आपको
have
बताया।
any weapons in their
बाकी
hand.
डॉक्टर्स
While
यहाँ
the
पे इनका
PGP is
ट्रीटमेंट कर
saying
रहे हैं, ये
this
देखें। डॉक्टर्स का भी
again
यही
and
कहना है कि
again,
इनको
these are people who are literally empty-handed. People were requested on different pages to provide them medical support or to provide them water and blankets and food. So these people were unarmed. There are several hundreds of videos you will see online where they're chanting and they're singing and they're dancing. They're very in a very jubilant way, and they're protesting very calmly and peacefully. So it's a very different sort of a protest. You would never see anybody. They were, I think, millions of people who thronged the streets of Islamabad on that day and Pindi. None of them had any tear gas shells or any rifles or any sort of bombs or grenades or anything. They were people who were happily singing and dancing and chanting and were motivated enough to get their, leader released. I don't see anything. There are numerous videos that you're going to see. I think somebody in Pakistan should ask with a common sense that what is the mental status of a barbaric government of Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz, that they've actually given shoot at sight orders in the middle of the night by shutting down all lights. There are people who live in Islamabad who've been confirming that they've heard bullets and fires. There were anchor persons, people from the media, and in not local national media, international media, who were there and who were reporting this. Watila John was reporting about the number of casualties and the death. He has been somehow kidnapped last night as well. So this is the list of the number of people who are either missing or declared dead, and this list is actually a big slap on the government, on the barbaric government, and on the brutal treatment they've bestowed on their own citizens. आप अपने घर में लोगों को इस तरह नहीं मारते हैं, आप किसी बाहर के लोगों को इस तरह नहीं मारते जिस तरह इन्होंने अपने लोगों को रात में बेईमाना तौर पर कत्ल किया है. The ICJ should actually take an action on this. I hope and pray the international community takes a very strong action on this. This is the list of the people. It's displayed on their website. किस बेईमाना तरीके से आपने इन लोगों को कत्ल कर दिया है, किस बेईमाना तरीके से इनको मारा है. Somebody should question this. And there are reporters who are saying that yes, there was a lot of firing and shelling heard and all those things. There's so much evidence. I don't know what is the issue with judiciary in Pakistan, but I do have a question on the mental status of a barbaric government of Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz, headed by people like Shehbaz Sharif and Maryam Aurangzeb and Maryam Nawaz and Ata Tadar and all those, and Mohsen Naqvi, all those pathetic people. They are literally monsters. They are evil people. They are literally monsters who've used force in a way that they were not entitled to even use. This is the most softest way of conveying the anger and frustration that anybody has. आपके घर में कोई बंदा मारा जाए और बेगुनाह मारा जाए जो घर से सिर्फ एक मोबाइल लेके निकला होगा प्रोटेस्ट के लिए, what is the sort of the language you are going to use for those people? किस किस्म की ज़बान इस्तेमाल करेंगे? And even you have my word, whatever sort of language you use, आप जितना मर्जी उनको बुरा भला कह दें, आप क्या किसी के घर का बेटा मर गया या भाई या खावन मर गया, आप उनको जिंदा कर सकते हैं? No, you can't. They're dead people. So whatever language you use for them, they deserve that language. ये pathetic, brutal, barbaric, mental retarded government है. And speak about it. They're literally mental retarded, barbaric people. Anybody who gets to watch the video, follow these pages. You'll get ample videos and evidences. Share the videos and evidences, because in the middle of the night on 26th and 27th of November, लोगों को बेईमाना पाकिस्तान की गवर्नमेंट ने मारा है, and a pathetic, disgusting army was involved in that. और मुझे हैरानी होती है एक शख्स के ऊपर जो हाफिज कुरान है, अल्लाह रसूल का नाम लेता है, और उसने बेईमाना कत्ल करने में अपना पूरा हाथ अंदर किया है. And that's why I hate these Maulvis actually. ये मुनाफिकीन होते हैं. Take good care of yourselves. Stay safe. Speak up. अल्लाह की ज़ात के अलावा ना आपको कोई रिस्क दे सकता है ना ले सकता है. Nobody can give you a job. Nobody can take it away from you. Nobody can give you life. Nobody can give you death. ये जो आर्मी वाले हाथों में डंडे लगा के फिरते हैं, I hope अल्लाह यही डंडे इनके सरों पे एक दिन मारेगा, जिस तरह इन्होंने लोगों को कत्ल किया है. ये उन जानवरों से बदतर आर्मी और गवर्नमेंट है जो रात को अंधेरों में खाली प्लॉट्स के ऊपर भौंक रहे होते हैं. These are worse than those stray animals that bark at night on empty plots. बल्कि they are exactly the same stray dogs, both the army and the government of Pakistan, that literally bark on empty plots just to mentally torture people. They've literally done a barbaric activity by brutally killing innocent civilians, and everybody should protest no matter how you can. If you can't protest, then you're a dead person. And don't be a dead person. Protest in however way you can. Take good care of yourselves. Stay happy. Stay blessed always. And may Allah be Hafiz wa Nasir always. Thank you for listening.